Hello बच्चों, the question is, in the human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of. So menstruation, or also known as the bleeding phase or the menstrual phase, so it is deferred. Deferred means delayed. So by administrating which hormones, menstruation phase can be delayed. So let's see what happens during the menstrual phase or menstruation. So menstruation means the bleeding phase, and it occurs for 2 to 5 days in a if it is normal. So during this phase, the lining of endometrium means earlier what how has happened, that the endometrium has become thick due to estrogen hormone. So the lining of endometrium, which is thickened, it breaks. It breaks because of the lack of progesterone, because progesterone is the hormone which maintains the endometrium. And this, so and maintenance of endometrium is the innermost lining of uterus. So maintenance of endometrium is the function of progesterone. But progesterone, if it is lacking in female, then there will be breaking of endometrium along with the blood vessels, and this blood and the broken pieces of endometrium comes out from the female's vagina in form of blood. So this is called the menstruation. So progesterone is released from the corpus luteum. Now this corpus luteum is actually the empty Graafian follicle, means the Graafian follicle from which the secondary oocyte is released. So after the release of secondary oocyte, the empty Graafian follicle gets converted into a yellow body, which is yellowish due to presence of carotene pigment and also the clots of blood there. So corpus luteum or yellow body. So the corpus luteum secretes this progesterone, but in absence of fertilization, means ovulation has taken place, ovum has been released, but it is not fertilized by a sperm. So in absence of fertilization, what happens? This corpus luteum degenerates. Now if the corpus luteum degenerates, then there will be lack of progesterone, and also the corpus luteum secretes small amount of estrogen also. So there will be lack of estrogen and lack of progesterone in case of absence of fertilization, because in absence of fertilization, corpus luteum degenerates and it leads to the decreased amount of estrogen and progesterone. Now progesterone was maintaining the endometrium, but if progesterone is not there, then endometrium will break and the menstruation will begin. So if we want to delay the menstruation, so which hormone needs to be administered? So from it is very clear that if we administer the hormones estrogen and progesterone from outside, it means to mimic the hormones which are released from the corpus luteum, we administer the progesterone and estrogen from outside, then progesterone will definitely maintain the endometrium and there will be delayed menstruation. So menstruation can be prevented or it can be delayed by the administration of estrogen and progesterone. So the right answer of this question is option B. If we look further, then combination of FSH and LH, no, because during menstruation phase, FSH and LH both are in decreased amount, because the estrogen and progesterone, they give a negative feedback to the pituitary. So as a result, FSH and LH level decreases. So there is no need to administer them if we want to delay the menstruation. Then FSH only. So function of FSH is to uh, develop the follicles, and LH is responsible for ovulation. So the right answer is option B. I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.